If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business in the beautiful state of Montana, but thought it was too expensive or complicated, stick around because I've got some fantastic news. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of forming and starting an LLC in Montana for free this year. That's right, folks. No hidden fees, no expensive lawyers, just you and your designated registered agent. From choosing the perfect business name to filing the right paperwork, I've got you covered. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the best registered agent service in Montana that can help you set up your LLC. So let's get started. Starting an LLC in Montana is straightforward and very affordable. And like other states, it has several specific LLC requirements. There are 3 main ways you can start an LLC in Montana. 1. DIY, do it yourself. Use the Montana Secretary of State's website to handle the paperwork yourself. This is the most cost-effective method if you're comfortable with forms and processes. 2. Professional service. For a smoother process and peace of mind, you might consider hiring a professional service. These companies handle all the paperwork for you and often provide additional valuable services. 3. Hiring an attorney. This is generally the most expensive option and usually unnecessary for straightforward LLC setups. Attorneys are helpful for complex legal issues, but not typically needed for basic LLC formation. For this video, I'll focus on the DIY approach and using a professional service. Steps required for starting a Montana LLC on your own. Step 1. Name your business. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. In Montana, your LLC's name must be unique and not already in use by another business. You'll need to add a designation to the end of that name. Meaning, you'll need to add one of the following phrases or abbreviations to the legal name of your company. Limited Liability Company, L.L.C. LLC, Limited Company, Limited.co, Limited Liability Co. To check name availability, visit the Montana Secretary of State's Business Entity database. Enter your desired name to see if it's available. A unique business name will say no matches found. You can reserve your preferred company name with the state for a maximum of 120 days. Step 2. Designate a Montana registered agent. Your business has a name, and now it needs a physical presence in Montana. At least there must be a physical address where correspondents can reach you. All businesses are required to designate a registered agent, which is a physical address, not a P.O. box, and contact person or entity where legal documents can be delivered during business hours. The registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. You can act as your own registered agent or appoint a family member or friend. However, I recommend using a professional registered agent service. This ensures you receive important documents promptly and keeps your personal address off public records. Plus, some companies offer a free registered agent service as part of their LLC formation package. One company I recommend is Northwest Registered Agent, which provides a free registered agent for the first year of service. During this free year, you can benefit from a professional agent handling your legal documents, access to a dashboard for managing correspondence, and email notifications with automatic forwarding of any documents received. Step 3. File your Montana Articles of Organization. With a name and registered agent in place, the next step is to file the Articles of Organization to officially register your LLC. Have the following information handy when preparing this document: the formal name of your company, your company's principal mailing address, the name and address of your Montana LLC's registered agent, the names and addresses of your LLC members and managers if applicable, verification of whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed, the date that your LLC will be dissolved if you don't intend for it to exist indefinitely, You must file your articles of organization online using Montana's business services platform. The filing fee is $35. Montana no longer offers mail-in filings. Step 4. Obtain an EIN. Once your LLC is set up, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for tax purposes. This number acts as a social security number for your business and separates your business's financial matters from your personal accounts. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website for free. There is no cost to obtain an EIN. Step 5. Prepare an operating agreement. Montana doesn't require an operating agreement, but it's highly recommended if your LLC has multiple members. This agreement outlines the management structure, profit distribution, and dispute resolution procedures. Examples of issues that can be addressed in your operating agreement include whether your company will be taxed as a distinct entity or on members' personal tax returns, indemnification and liability, the percentage of the business owned by each member, member duties, powers, and responsibilities, profit distribution and loss management protocols. A solid operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and clarifies everyone's roles and responsibilities. An operating agreement can professionalize your business operations even if you're a single-member LLC. Step 6. Filing your Montana Annual Report. All Montana LLCs must file an annual report to update the state of any changes. Or they can file a no-change report if everything is the same as the last filing. Potential changes include LLC name and address, registered agent name and address, LLC manager member names and addresses. Your first annual report is due by April 15th the year after you organize. For example, if you organize and register your LLC in December 2024, your first annual report is due by April 15th, 2025. All subsequent reports must be submitted between January 1st and April 15th each year. For a more hands-off approach, consider a professional LLC formation service. Companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer comprehensive packages that include filing your forms and acting as your registered agent. Northwest Registered Agent service starts at $39, which includes a free registered agent and a free operating agreement with their package. This can be a great deal compared to other services that might charge significantly more. With excellent customer service and privacy protection, Northwest Registered Agent makes the LLC formation process smooth and hassle-free. Use the link in the description to take advantage of this limited-time LLC formation discount. Forming an LLC in Montana is simple and beneficial. Whether you handle it yourself or use a professional service, these steps will help you set up your LLC smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business tips and guides. And don't forget to check the description for useful links and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LLC formation.